Hey guys, it's Big C. It's Wednesday afternoon, coming back with another break. It is May 16th, 420. Coming back with the Timeless Treasures break. So here is the sign-up sheet. And 4191 is the last four digits on the box ID. I will show that here as soon as I go through here. Walnut got some good hits on the Crown Royal. Some good Steeler hits. And I believe everything did sell out. Alright, and there is, again, we'll go up there. That's 4191. The last four digits. And the old Panini sticker is in the way, but 4191. So there you have it. So we'll go ahead and get started with the old Timeless Treasure. So checklist. One pack. And we are off. These are $4.99. John Randall for the Vikings. John Carlson for the Seahawks, and that's all $4.99. Chris Hamburger, Washington. And Calerio Polaris for the Panthers. I don't even know if I've ever heard of that guy. That would be Brett Umis. Kind of a neat signature. I just don't know if I've ever heard of him. Wide receiver. 19 out of 25, so short print. Jamal Charles for the Chiefs, which would be Hip Holidays, something like that. 60 out of 164. And then a John Riggins patch, or actually that would be a jersey, 12 out of 100 for the Redskins, which would be Dusty Hash-Brown. So there you have it, guys. I appreciate it. Keep checking them out on Big C 2014. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do. It's Big C 2020141, and that's just to get emails when I upload videos. That way you guys kind of know them when they're up. So I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.